Welcome back to the Academy. In this lesson we're going to be talking about building out the module and adding in lessons into the module. So the first thing we're going to do is click the menu icon on module 1 and we're going to hit edit. In the module editor you can change the title of the module, you can add a thumbnail for the module, and just like the course editor we can add a description of what the client will learn in the module. In this description you can include what the module covers, what tools come available with the module, or any other downloads, PDFs or external resource URLs that you want to include in the description. Once we've included a description, the next thing we want to do is add a lesson. So just like when we added the modules to the course, we simply click add new lesson and we're going to give this lesson a name. If you know all of the lessons you want to include in your module, you can add them right away or you can come back and do it later. I'm going to focus on building out lesson 1 first. So we simply click on the menu icon and click edit, and now we're going to build out the lesson. So again, we can drop in a thumbnail for lesson 1. We can add a description, some key details, or some key points that were covered during the lesson as revision notes. If you include any free downloads or tools, you can add a link URL here by using the link function. If your lesson is purely in written form, you can include the entire lesson in the description box. However, if you have video tutorials or video lessons, this is where you're going to add your video lessons. To do this, you have 3 options. You can either upload a video file from your device, you can hit camera, which will give Sanctuary access to your webcam of your choice so that you can do a live lesson, or you can hit the screencast function, which will link to your screencast. For this tutorial, I'm going to be uploading a movie file from my device. You can either click this button or drag and drop the file into this area here. Once you've selected the file, click upload, and Sanctuary will take a few moments to upload your file. Now your lesson's ready to publish, you can either leave it in draft mode until you've built out all of your lessons, or you can click published, which means it will be visible to your clients once the module and the course has been published too. More on that later. We're going to hit published, and then it's going to give you an option on when you would like the lesson to be published. It will default to the current time. If you want to change it, you can click on here and add a date of your choice. I'm just going to publish right away, so hit save. So now you know how to add a module and you know how to add a lesson. Go ahead and try and add all of your modules and all of your lessons into your course, and I'll see you in the next lesson.